Hi everyone, and welcome to today's video, which is going to be a mess test, quite a hairy one, using these two vintage machines. As you can see, one is the Electrolux Turbo2 Super, and the other is a Hoover Turbolite. I have no idea how they're going to cope with this. I'm hoping we don't get any clogs, but we'll wait and see. So first up will be the Turbolite, who'll tackle the front end of the mess, and then it'll be the Electrolux. If you just let me do a bit of manoeuvring. Getting a bit tight in this little room, as there are many vacuum cleaners. Use my magic stick just to separate that out a bit. Okay. The one problem that this Turbolite has, which is the most recent machine I've picked up, is it doesn't like to stay upright. The catch seems to be damaged in some ways. I mean, at the moment it's upright without me holding on to it, but put it aside and it falls over. Anyway, it's not the quietest, but here we go. Just let the Hoover salt first. You really can't fault that. For an older machine that we've not even looked at doing anything to, that's done amazingly well. Let me just manoeuvre machines. I should just have done it all with this one, but they'll get the mess test soon. And just, as if you've read one of the previous videos, we lost our elderly horse, and I'm still kind of reeling over it. Haven't really had much motivation for anything, but I'm hoping to do as much of a house clean tomorrow as I'm capable of. Which, if you don't know, I have a broken back and all severe back issues, so most of the vacuuming I do is sitting down. At the moment I'm sat in a bed. So it's always very carefully thought out where I'm going to vacuum, but the whole house is getting a bit worse for wear. Anyway, after that, let's try the Turbo2 Super. And what's it setting on? Low pile. Yeah, that should do it. Help for another bubble, isn't it? You just can't fault that. Look at that, and they both picked it up pretty much one stroke. Now, my next hope is just like vacuum cleaner Tetris that you end up playing. I do need a better storage solution. Oh, that's the fire away. Bit of crashing and banging. All of this for a one take display. So the intention is to run the shark back over and see what the shark picks up, if anything at all. Okay. That. I don't know what the pop was midway through there. Okay. So it has picked up some stuff. But not much. I'm pretty happy with that. The bits of rice were actually on the rug under my feet. The knocking you can hear is Hoover stacked on a bed and me moving about on it. So yeah, I mean that's pretty good, 2 old machines. Let's just use yet another machine to get rid of that. Excited than I should have done there, but never mind. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button, comment, subscribe, all of the above. I hope you all have a lovely night. Take care. Bye.